adjoint of matrix. Adjoint of matrix. suppose matrix 3 cross 3 matrix A is given below. Suppose 3 cross 3 matrix A is given below. A is equals to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Means 3 row, 3 column. This is called matrix A. Then adjoint of matrix. Adjoint of matrix. Then first of all find cofactor of matrix A. Okay, capital A11, capital A12, capital A13. Then after this cofactor write in column. Capital A11 in first column, capital A12, capital A13. Similarly, capital A21, capital A22, capital A23 in second column. Then capital A31, capital A32, capital A33 in third column. This is called adjoint of matrix. Then after see property. See properties of adjoint of matrix. Properties of adjoint of matrix. See here, first property A into adjoint of A is equals to adjoint of A into A is equals to mod A into I. ओके चलो इसका प्रूफ देखते हैं. Proof. So see here, inverse of matrix A is A inverse is equals to 1 upon mod A into adjoint of A. A inverse is equals to 1 upon mod A into adjoint of A. Then subject adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is equals to A inverse into mod A. Then both the side multiply by A. दोनों साइड A से मल्टीप्लाई कर लो. Therefore A इंटू, क्योंकि एडजॉइंट ऑफ A है उसके बाजू में चाहिए A, तो दोनों साइड आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है A से. A इंटू एडजॉइंट ऑफ A इज इक्वल्स टू A इंटू A इनवर्स इंटू मोड A. चलो A इंटू A इनवर्स वो तो आपको पता ही है क्या है, आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स I. Therefore A इंटू एडजॉइंट ऑफ A is equals to I into mod A. It is also written as mod A into I. This is called A into adjoint of A. Then this is proof. First property, A into adjoint of A is equals to adjoint of A into A is equals to mod A into I. This is first property. Property 2. Second property, adjoint of A, mod of adjoint of A is equals to mod A raised to n minus 1. mod A raised to n minus 1. इसका भी प्रूफ है. प्रूफ see here, A inverse is equals to 1 upon mod A into adjoint of A. A inverse is equals to 1 upon mod A into adjoint of A. Therefore adjoint of A is equals to mod A into A inverse. adjoint of A is equals to mod A into A inverse. Then after take both the side mod, means adjoint of A is equals to mod A into A inverse. चलो तो इसमें प्रॉपर्टी लगेगी mod के A is equals to k raised to n into mod A, where n is order, so here this is k, k is a constant. Here modulus means determinant of A gives always a constant value, therefore this is constant. So here we can write k raised to n, means k means mod A raised to n into modulus of, means determinant of A inverse, means determinant of A whole power n. Here determinant of A inverse is equals to 1 upon determinant of A. Here variable same in denominator and numerator, therefore subtraction of power mod A power n minus 1. This is a property, second property, proof. Then after third property, adjoint of adjoint A is equals to mod A raised to n minus 2 into A, mod A raised to n minus 2 into A. चलो प्रूफ देख लेते हैं इसका भी. प्रूफ adjoint of A is equals to, we can write A inverse into mod A. ये हम पढ़ चुके हैं. यहाँ पे देखो अभी मैंने लिखा है adjoint of A is equals to mod A into A inverse. तो here A को रिप्लेस करना है adjoint of A से. रिप्लेस A by adjoint of A. चलो A को रिप्लेस करो adjoint of A से. तो adjoint of adjoint A is equals to, here adjoint of A whole inverse into determinant of adjoint of A. Okay, here adjoint of whole inverse, then use adjoint of A is equals to formula, adjoint of A is equals to A inverse into डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए होल इनवर्स. यहाँ पे ये भी प्रॉपर्टी हमने देख चुके हैं. यहाँ पे डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए इज इक्वल्स टू डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए पावर n minus 1, मीन्स डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए पावर n minus 1. तो हियर वी कैन राइट ए इनवर्स होल इनवर्स, हियर मोड ए पावर -1, बिकॉज ये तो कांस्टेंट है तो उसमें कुछ फर्क पड़ने वाला नहीं है. तो mod A पावर -1 into mod A raised to n minus 1. There A inverse whole inverse is equals to matrix A itself. Then here determinant of A, here a determinant of A, therefore variable same, then addition of power, because here these two variable in multiplication, therefore mod A raised to n minus 2. Therefore mod A raised to n minus 2 into A. This is a proof of adjoint A. Adjoint of adjoint A. ये proof हो. 9. Property number 9. If matrix A is symmetric matrix, then adjoint of A is also symmetric matrix. If matrix A is symmetric matrix, then adjoint of A, okay, is also symmetric matrix. Then property number 10, if matrix A is diagonal matrix, then adjoint of A is diagonal matrix. Then property number 9, if matrix A is triangular matrix, then adjoint of matrix A is triangular matrix. Okay, this is a property number 11. Then after property number 12, if matrix A is singular matrix, then determinant of adjoint of A is equals to 0. कैसे ये 0 हो रहा है वो यहाँ पे मैं बताता हूँ आपको, उसका प्रूफ है। तो यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला थी A इनवर्स इज इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन मोड A इंटू एडजॉइंट ऑफ A। ओके, तो एडजॉइंट ऑफ A इज इक्वल्स टू A इनवर्स इंटू मोड A। दोनों साइड डिटर्मिनेंट लेते हैं, यानी एडजॉइंट ऑफ A इज इक्वल्स टू डिटर्मिनेंट मोड A इंटू A इनवर्स। तो सपोज order of matrix A is n cross n, therefore order is n, there we can write mod A raised to n. Okay, we can write mod A raised to n. यहाँ पे ये k है, k into A. Okay, तो यहाँ पे ये प्रॉपर्टी यूज होगी mod A raised to n into डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ A इनवर्स। यहाँ पे mod A raised to n into we can write डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ A इनवर्स is equals to 1 upon डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ A। here वेरिएबल सेम बट इन डिवीजन, तो पावर का क्या हो जाएगा सब्सट्रैक्शन, तो मोड A पावर n माइनस 1, ये मिला हमें मोड यानी डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ एडजॉइंट ऑफ A। ये प्रॉपर्टी हमने प्रूफ की हुई है आगे। ओके, तो यहाँ पे बोला है A इज सिंगुलर देन डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ A इज इक्वल टू 0, डिटर्मिनेंट A 0 है, therefore mod adjoint means determinant of adjoint of A is equals to 0। ये इसका प्रूफ हुआ। सॉरी, इनवर्स ऑफ मैट्रिक्स for any two matrix A and B, AB is equals to BA is equals to I, AB is equals to BA is equals to I, then matrix A and B are inverse to each other, जैसे कि यहाँ पे मैं दो अलग अलग लेती हूँ। ए बी इज इक्वल्स टू आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स है, ए बी इज इक्वल्स टू आइडेंटिटी, देन बी ए इज इक्वल्स टू आइडेंटिटी, देन हियर बोथ दिस साइड मल्टीप्लाई विथ ए इनवर्स, देयरफॉर ए इनवर्स इंटू ए बी इज इक्वल्स टू आई इंटू ए इनवर्स। ए इनवर्स इंटू ए मीन्स आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स इंटू बी इज इक्वल्स टू ए इनवर्स इंटू आई मीन्स ए इनवर्स। therefore A inverse is equals to B into I means B. Okay, the inverse of A is equals to matrix B. Similarly here both the side multiply with B inverse into B. A is equals to B inverse into I. B inverse into B is equals to called identity matrix. B inverse into B is identity matrix into A. Here B inverse into I means identity matrix is B inverse. Therefore A into I identity matrix is A is equals to B inverse. Therefore B inverse is equals to A. Then formula of A inverse. A inverse is equals to 1 upon mod A into adjoint of A. 1 upon mod A into adjoint of A. But mod A is not equals to 0. Mod A is not equals to 0. Okay. Whenever mod A is not equals to 0, A inverse exists. Then after see properties. Properties of inverse of matrix. Properties of inverse of matrix. See here, first property A inverse whole inverse is equals to matrix A. A inverse whole inverse means matrix A itself. Second property A power k. K is a constant. जैसे A square whole inverse is equals to A inverse whole power k means A inverse whole power 2. Okay, both are equal matrix. Then after third property A transpose whole inverse is equals to A inverse whole transpose. Both are equal. Then fourth property adjoint of A inverse is equals to adjoint A whole inverse. Both are equal. Then after fifth property number 5, AB whole inverse is equals to B inverse into A inverse. B inverse into A inverse. Then after property number 6, if A is equals to diagonal of A1, A2, A3 up to AN, then A inverse is equals to diagonal of A1 inverse, A2 inverse, A3 inverse, similarly AN inverse. Then property number 7 is if A is symmetric matrix, then A inverse is symmetric matrix. Then A inverse is symmetric matrix. Then property number 8, if A is triangular matrix, then A inverse is also triangular matrix. Okay, this is the properties of A inverse. Solution of linear equation. See here, equation a1x plus a2y plus a3z is equals to capital P. Then b1x plus b2y plus b3z is equals to capital Q. Then c1x plus c2y plus c3z is equals to capital R. So first of all, this equation is represented, given equation is represented as a matrix form. Therefore matrix form is here a11 a12 a13, then b1 b2 b3, then c1 c2 c3. In other matrix x y z is equals to PQR. Then this is called matrix A. This matrix called capital X, and this matrix is capital B. Therefore we can write here AX is equals to B. Okay, AX is equals to B. Therefore X is equals to A inverse into B. X is 1 upon mod A into adjoint of A into B. In solution of equation depends on the determinant of A. तो सॉल्यूशन कैसे निकालते हैं? तो यहाँ पे देखो, if determinant is not equals to 0, therefore it is called consistent system. And if determinant of A is equals to 0, तो उसमें दो पार्ट आपको लेने, दो पार्ट. First one is check adjoint of A into B. Adjoint of A into B is not equals to 0, is not equals to null matrix, and adjoint of A into B is equals to null matrix. So see here, adjoint of A into B is not equals to 0, therefore here inconsistent system. And if here adjoint of A into B is equals to 0, this is called consistent system. Okay, consistent system. Solve linear equation. Solve linear equation using Gauss elimination method. Using Gauss elimination method. See here. Here three equations are given. A1x plus A2y plus A3z is equals to capital P. Then B1x plus B2y plus B3z is equals to capital Q. Then C1x plus C2y plus C3z is equals to capital R. Matrix form can be represented by मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करना है. तो हियर A1 A2 A3, then B1 B2 B3, then C1 C2 C3. Here X Y Z, here P Q and R. Then after augmented matrix which is a representation of this matrix given as x y z is equals to matrix A1 A2 A3, then B1 B2 B3, then C1 C2 C3, here PQR. Then in Gauss elimination method, first of all set in diagonal element is always 1, and below the diagonal all element 0. यानी डायगोनल एलिमेंट है उसको आपको 1 करना है और बिलो द डायगोनल ऑल एलिमेंट आपको क्या करना है, 0 करना है. यहाँ पे कोई भी वैल्यू आप ले सकते हो, A B C वट एवर. और राइट हैंड साइड यहाँ पे आप सपोज कर ले सकते हो कैपिटल A कैपिटल B कैपिटल C. ओके, आपको क्या करना है, बिलो द डायगोनल ऑल एलिमेंट 0 करने हैं. यहाँ पे 0 हो सकता है तो देन आफ्टर ये जो है फर्स्ट कॉलम ये किसके कोएफिशिएंट है, x के. देन सेकंड कॉलम y के कोएफिशिएंट है एंड थर्ड कॉलम z के कोएफिशिएंट है. देन डायरेक्टली आप कंपेयर करवा दो, x और y का कोएफिशिएंट तो 0 ही है, देयरफॉर 1 into z इज इक्वल्स टू आपको मिल जाएगा c. z इज इक्वल्स टू आपको मिल जाएगा c. देन आफ्टर हियर कैपिटल C. देन solve this second row means y plus cz is equals to b. अब ये z की जगह पे c रख लो तो y plus c इंटू कैपिटल C is equals to b. तो y मिल जाएगा b माइनस स्मॉल c इंटू कैपिटल C. सिमिलरली यहाँ पे फर्स्ट रो को आप सॉल्व करते हो, x प्लस ay प्लस bz is equals to a. Put here value of y and z, then find the value of x. तो वैसे आपका सॉल्यूशन मिल जाएगा. ओके, तो ये जो है गाउस एलिमिनेशन मेथड.